Once we've browsed the homepage, we may wish to find out a little bit more about what is BIG. This page explains why you might be interested in BIG, what it actually is, quite a bit of stuff there, and welcomes you to become a member to access the full supporting materials. Once you've understood what BIG is, if you wish to, you may be interested in our membership. The membership page explains what membership is all about and what levels of access there are. At the moment, there's full access or no access. So to become a member, you get access to the body of knowledge and all the goodies contained therein. The membership menu also has the ability to log in or log out. It lets you manage your account information once you've created a membership. It lets you access and lets you understand and access the exams we have, lists all of our exam passes, and gives you a chance to donate if you wish to. The third menu is for sponsors. It explains what sponsorship is all about. It explains who our sponsors are, and thank you to them again, and gives you a chance to donate.